Ang sauce pa naman ng sa Pilipinas, di ba, yung mag-barbecue, mga tinda-tinda, yung mga nagtitinda ng mga ganon, is yung ketchup. Sarap. Crunchy.
Good morning, Philippines! Right? The scanner usually do a baby. What, puppy? Wanna go out?
Hold on. Where are you going?
I'm scaring her so much she has to pee.
What are you watching beforehand?
Matlock, you don't recognize him?
No, this is different. Alam, it looks familiar, the old guy.
Yeah, it's Andy Griffith.
Yeah, but that's when it looks familiar, younger version.
Yeah.
So what?
Well, see something funny for I was making some back.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's stressed out.
That's what I like to do right now.
It's finished, you know. Eat it all and throw up. Line it up. That's what we do. How many times do you have to throw it?
I know, you don't know how many times you thought you got you turning over. That's why I can't beep it, it's undone, it makes it turn over.
I think Dimples doesn't eat. Turkey. She's licking, look, she's licking. You're licking your chops.
Hey, good job.
Misty will eat it, look. Misty eat it.
Are you kidding?
Yeah. Han, tell her.
Joy, pride, our beautiful daughter. Come on, Ralph. This fine young man, Andy. What do you get for being too slow? Just have a word for the room's uncle, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to get a little quicker.
Oh, no, honey. She owns the camp that way.
This was supposed to buy free. Trying to rent it for free.
Just look at her. Make faces.
She's staring at you, Don.
Just look at her. Make faces. What? Make her crazy. Look, ducky, duck.
That's good. So it's sweet with duck around.
She's stressed.
Frustration.
Frustration.
The duck stays in. Duck stays.
Put that down. Watch out, Han. She's very quick. She's waiting. That ducky, duck. She is waiting. Are you kidding me? And then it's 10 o'clock in the morning now. Not 10. Balik sila agad. Anyway, alis na naman sila. This is my life.
Fabian,
You love me.
are you forgetting?
Umalis na sila. Ang dami kong hugasan. Lilinis ako, guys. Uy, ang daming ano sa sahig. Kalilinis ko lang. Andin. Ay, ang TV ang lakas. Meron na naman tayong extra pilo. Tignan nyo yung pilo. Kaloka. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Maglilinis lang ako. Hugasan ko lang itong mushroom and then i-ano natin, i-barbecue. Kasi gusto ko talagang i-barbecue ang mushroom at saka tiin na manok. Kita niyo guys, tumubo na siya guys. Tignan niyo yung ano ko, batong. Yung batong ko nanubo. Nanubo na. Right, Rox? Lumaki na sila. Tignan niyo. Nag-transfer ako dyan. Nilagay ko sila doon sa pot. And then tina-transfer ko sila dito. Hindi naman sila namamatay. Hindi naman. Meron pa doon, oh. May dalawa doon. Ito siya guys, yung tiil. So, barbecue natin. At ito yung gulay ko, mushroom. So, tignan niyo naman. The touch of your hand, such you catch me wherever I found. You see it best when you see nothing at all. Actually, I did it intentionally na parang masunog siya kasi I like it when the taste of like sunog, especially kung ganito tiil ng manok, paa ng manok or chicken feet. So, yun ang ano natin, mukbang. Lunch ito, guys. Katatapos ko lang kumain, guys. So, ginanito ko lang siya para kainin ko mamaya. And then, hindi siya, hindi maginaw. So, yun. Mushroom, nandito yung chicken. Oh my God. Ang anghang, guys. Na ako pagkatapos ng mukbang, para yung bibig ko ba, parang humuhubag. Naghubag yung yung bibig ko kasi sobrang anghang talaga as in. So, ngayon, andito yung Roxy Rocco andito. Dimple Lords over there. Misty it's in her bed. Misty usually love their bed. They have their own bed. And Misty love to use it. And Roxy love to use the couch closer to me. Because this is who she is. This is who she is. And she doesn't like to be annoyed. Because this is who she is. Look, this is who she is. Hey, look at me. She doesn't like to be annoyed. She doesn't like to be annoyed. I love you. I love you. I love you too. Is Mama making too much noise? It wakes you up. Mama's making too much noise. It wakes you up. Mama, bad look manoy. Bad look manoy. You give me a bad look manoy. You give me a bad look. Sleepyhead. You know she slept with us last night, guys, because Dada cannot resist. Tommy, oh my God, Tommy just love them so much. But Misty, they want... Okay, gusto ni Tommy silang dalawa matutulog sa amin kasi Tommy loves them so much, guys. So what happened, because, remember yung si Misty nahulog sa hagdan? So si Misty nag-decide na hindi pumunta sa taas. So si Roxy yung katabi namin kagabi. Yeah, si Roxy yung katabi namin kagabi because si Misty takot na pumunta sa taas, guys. At ito na lang yung baby girl na katabi namin ni Dada kagabi. Nagpagitna pa, guys. Nagpagitna pa ito, guys. Nagpagitna pa. Parang sino ka. Oh, baby. Yung asawa ko pala busy. Di ba wala siyang trabaho ngayon? Di ba umalis sila kanina maaga? Sobrang aga sila umalis. Pero, busy siya kasi dinala-dala niya yung kapatid niya. Nakalabas na yung kapatid niya pala sa So, nakalabas na siya. So, dinadrive niya yun kasi wala siyang sasakyan dito. Dinadrive na magkuha ng medisina, mga ganyan. Na mukbang ko na ito. Pero alam mo, dahil Roxy. Namukbang ko na ito, pero dahil ito. Sumarap lalo yung mushrooms. Dahil tiil ito ng manok. Yun pa rin. Alam niyo, kahit maanghang to, kayanin pa rin. I-video ko pa rin, guys. Alam nyo? Dahil paminsan lang ito. Noon, ano ako sa mga ganito. Bata pa ako. Ayaw kong kumakain ng mga ganito. Sa Cebu talaga ako yung kain talaga dito, natuto talaga. Sa Mambaling. Yan. And, alam nyo, ang pinakauna kong nakain na, I think, yung part ng manok, sa ilalim ba? I think yung pinakauna-una is gizzard. Yung taguan ng ano ba? Hindi ko alam na ano yun. Taguan pala yun ng ano ng manok. Gizzard ba? Yung batikon. Sus, ginoo ko. Yung ano? Crunchy crunch. O yung, ano ba? Yung kagumkum ba? Yung kagumkum ba? Kapag kainin mo, yung, may ano talaga. Ang sauce pa naman ng sa Pilipinas, di ba, yung mag-barbecue, mga tinda-tinda, yung mga nagtitinda ng mga ganon, is yung ketchup. Ketchup na may mix ng, I don't know, basta ketchup na maanghang. At saka yung ipang glaze nila ba, parang pampahid, may maanghang. At bilhin ko talaga always maanghang. Ang sarap talaga. Wala na akong kanin. Ito lang, nakalimutan ko so kain na ako ng dandahan ng rice. Yung ano ba, yung pageant na Miss America ba yun? Basta pageant, wala ng bikini. No bikini contest. Beauty and brain, and then yung goal nila sa ano, kung yung trabaho nila makuha nila yon, yung kung ano yung nasa heart nila, which is really good. Kapag yung lips na talaga maanghangan, kakaiba talaga. Sarap. Crunchy. Guys, concentrate ako niya. Yeah. Anyway, kung andito kayo sa US, hanap kayo sa ShopRite or kahit anong grocery store, meron silang chicken feet. Nabili ko ito sa ShopRite. Meron silang gizzard. Silang kinae. Intestine ba? Meron. Ang saya kainin ng paa. Ang saya kainin pag nakapaa. Sarap. Good night, guys. Matutulog na ako, guys. Punta lang. Palabisin ko muna itong mga junakits ko nga. Grabe, man si Roxy makakuan, oy. Mura magsikinsa matulog diri, oy. Para man kang si Rox natulog, Ros. Parang senyorita ba? Senyorita Agata. Senyorita Agata, man si Roxy, oy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video all the time, guys. And yes, so, i-end ko na dito kasi, gusto na itong kakain ng 3Ds. Who wants some 3Ds? Who wants some 3Ds? Who wants some 3Ds na? Who wants some 3Ds na? Who wants some 3Ds? Anyway, guys, thank you, guys. I will see you guys in my next vlog. I really do appreciate your time. And yeah, so I will see you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hala, sakit. Sumakit yung ano ko. Hala. Hold on. Sumakit yung ano ko, gilid. Sumakit yung gilid ko. Tignan niyo, Swisty. I love you. You wanna kiss me? Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.